if I told you that you could build your own dream home for less than 2 years of rent? You can have 100% equity, full control over the design, no landlord jacking up rents, no HOA, no noisy neighbors, and access to the latest and greatest upgrades. Does this sound too good to be true? This scenario is now possible for finance organizations looking for a performance management tech stack that actually works. This is Openvale Group's Agentic Performance Management approach. With the help of AI, you can build your own tailored solutions for planning, forecasting, and reporting for a fraction of the cost of renting specialized CPM software. APM is CPM evolved, solving the same age-old challenges with a new approach designed for an AI-native world. APM is already helping our clients ranging from hypergrowth startups to global enterprises save more than 70% on software and unlock powerful AI capabilities. APM is not a proprietary software offering. We do not sell software. APM solutions leverage universal and interoperable Microsoft platforms, which you likely already have if you're a Microsoft shop, to cover performance management end-to-end, including the data foundation, custom apps, modeling, reporting, and AI agents. Let's take a quick look through a demo solution. Here we start with a one-stop app interface, which is currently showing the cockpit for a finance leader. We can see the end-to-end solution here, including AI agents, reporting, cross-functional forecasting, data, and administration. Data is everything for performance management, so we start with establishing a sound data foundation in Microsoft Fabric with a finance data warehouse. In Fabric, we connect and organize data from every major function, bridging operational and financial data in one place. With first-hand access to data, you no longer need to jump through hoops or submit tickets to financiers. The data is organized, cleansed, and mapped to be executive-ready through live reporting or AI agents. Back in our app, we'll cover modeling and forecasting next. For many modeling use cases, Excel is still king in terms of flexibility, speed, and accessibility. Let's click into this bookings and revenue model. Instead of trying to replace Excel, we scale data and reporting around it by connecting Excel workbooks to Fabric with a native connector. Here, the data tabs pull directly from our warehouse when we hit refresh, and outputs flow back into Fabric when we choose to sync our forecast. This Excel workbook is otherwise completely customizable, like normal Excel, and we have plenty of tips for making Excel models highly dynamic. Back in our app, to mitigate common version control issues with Excel, access and versioning are managed centrally. These processes control not only reporting and data access, but access to the Excel files themselves. When you save a new scenario, both data and files are copied automatically. This strikes a key balance between art and science for planning. For more consistent high-volume use cases like demand planning or compensation forecasting, you can also run sophisticated SQL or Python models directly in Fabric. With AI writing code for you now, SQL and Python can handle any logic at scale and are much more easy to consume than a proprietary formula syntax. Focusing on the app for a moment, customized apps provide user-friendly interfaces on both web and mobile. The interface you see here is entirely customizable based on persona and use case. Tailored apps for specific use cases, like this one for collecting hiring requests, drive actual adoption in the field for things like bottom-up data collection, executive approvals, or management reporting. Do you need feedback from Yo who's always on the go? Build them their own mobile app. Power BI, Excel, PowerPoint, and Foundry AI agents provide multiple avenues for making information available to stakeholders. Power BI is a powerful reporting solution on its own. And finally, one of the main reasons why this path is so worthwhile, the agentic layer and a future in which people and AI work together to save time and create value. Since APM is open and connectable with major LLMs via Foundry, the full power of AI is also at your fingertips in an enterprise-grade environment. You can connect everything you have in Fabric to Foundry with MCPs and add documents like recorded narratives or prior board decks from SharePoint. You can also add external reports and data as knowledge sources as well. With APM, you can build reliable AI agents to answer ad hoc questions from leaders and business partners and automate regular reporting activities. Very soon, you'll be able to produce board-ready slides. This slide was generated based on our Power BI data, a slide template, and transcribed narrative with the help of Claude Code. You'll even be able to run the forecasting process in Fabric with prompts and minimize the need for actual coding skills. All these use cases are already possible with platforms that are open and built for AI connectivity, like the ones we use for APM. As the AI revolution continues, APM helps you and your team build and produce with AI, not just consume it. Openvale Group is your designer, architect, general contractor, builder, and advisor for your APM journey. We are a one-stop shop that combines the domain expertise, technical skills, and delivery approach to ensure your success. If you'd like to learn more about APM and if it may be the right fit for you, reach out to our team today.